Good day, Orteans. Your lecturer for today is Dr. Christian Pascual, top 1 in the August 2010 Criminologists Licensure examination. Don't forget to subscribe and press the bell button to receive the latest updates. Take it away, Christian.
Right. So there are three faculties of man. Diba? These are will, the intellect, and the soul. Diba? So, well, tawag dito. You are correct, Rose Ann, you're correct. When you talk about will, you're talking about the power of conscious, deliberate actions. Diba? The power to tell your body, this is what you have to do. Diba? That's why A and B are both descriptions of will. Diba? It is the power to direct your body to do things based on what you want it to do. Diba? Will. Yan. Yung willingness, diba? Yung word na willingness. Are you willing or are you not willing? Diba? And then yung intellect, tama ka rin, Rose Ann, it's the power of understanding. It's the power of perception to analyze the things that what you are observing, your body is sensing, and then based on that, understand, and then, diba, and then take advantage of that, diba, make decisions that are intelligent, diba? So that's your intellect, letter C. And then letter D is actually your soul, diba? Yung emotional, volitional faculties in man. And soul, sabi nila, is independent from your body. Wow, diba? Independent from your body daw. So kung naniniwala ka dun, theory lang naman to, diba? If you're believing in the theory that there are three faculties of man, which are the will, the intellect, and the soul. And so congratulations sa mga tama ang sagot. Alright, libido is best described as the instinctual cravings of drive behind all human activities, especially sexual, di ba? So, yung cravings mo, di ba? Yung mga wants, mga desires, yung libido mo. Love instinct, on the other hand, is your eros. Yan. So, pag sinabi mong eros, love instinct. So, di ba? We don't know, but it's an instinct, di ba, na mahal natin ang ating mga magulang, di ba? Kapatid, di ba? Mga kamag-anak. That's part of eros. Eros. Pero yung death wish or love of death, sige nga, sino makakapagsabi kung ano ang eros or love of death? May libreng strawberry taho sa akin pag nagkita tayo sa Baguio. Ano ang love of death? Ano yung instinct for death? Or love of death? It starts with letter T. Till death do us part, sabi ni Jomil. Anong tawag dun sa love, parang instinct for love of death? It starts with T. Napanood niyo ba yung Avengers? Ano pangalan ng kontrabida doon? Yung last part. Yan, Thanatos. Very good. Marvin, no? Marvin, meron kang sa akin, strawberry taho pagdating ng Baguio. Let me know if you're here. Yeah, that's correct, Marvin. Thanatos. Yan. Kindly share your answer to everyone, please, Marvin. Thanatos. Parang Thanatos, no? Sounds like Thanos. Yung pumatay sa 50% ng population ng Marvel Universe. Yan, thank you. Yan. So instinct, by the way, are innate, no? They're innate, they're inborn. So when you don't have to learn it, 'di ba? Yung mga instinct nyo nandiyan na yan. Okay, pagka panganak nyo. They are biological, kumbaga. So kahit na nasa gubat ka at ikaw si Tarzan, yung iyong libido nandiyan pa rin yan. You will still learn how to, instinct mo yan na you will learn how. You will crave for sex daw. I don't know. Wala pa naman akong... Kilala na ba kayo parang naging Tarzan na never nagkaroon ng socialization to anyone? Alright, sige. Let's look at this question. There are several approaches in the study of human behavior, diba? It could be neurological approach, it could be behavioral approach, it could be cognitive approach, psychoanalytical approach, like Sigmund Freud, diba? And humanistic approach, diba? Like Abraham Maslow, right? If you heard of Abraham Maslow, humanistic yung approach niya. So humanistic is the approach which, diba? So let's look at muna A and B, no? Let's try to eliminate some of the possible answers. Letter A, from the statement itself, diba? It is the study of what is taking place inside the body, particularly the brain and nervous system. I think we could all agree that that is neurological, diba? Neurological yung approach mo. What you're looking at is what's inside the brain, what's inside the nervous system, what's inside the body, to study why and how a person is behaving. Diba? So, neurological. Letter A, mga doktor ang gumagawa ng mga to. Maybe a psychiatrist, right? Pag letter B, you're more on external. Sabihin, kung ano yung na-observe mo outside, di ba? Ito, pinag-aaralan mo siya, ito yung kinikilos niya, then you study him carefully. That's more on behavioral. Behavioral. So, ito, pwede ito ang psychologist. Diba? Tayo mga criminologists, behavioral yung approach natin in the sense that we don't look at inside the person. What we do is we observe that person externally from the outside, diba? How he behaves, how he reacts with his environment. So that's also a good approach in the study of behavior. Diba? So I would say, diba, the difference between neurological and behavioral, yung neurological internal, and behavioral, you're more on external, diba? So again, we haven't answered the question. We just eliminated A and B. Let's look at C and D. Emphasize unconscious motives stemming from repressed sexual and aggressive impulses in childhood. Kapag tinitignan mo yan, you're studying behavior based on the unconscious motives, yung mga nare-repress na mga desires or impulses ng tao, yung mga pinipigilan niya na so naging issue tuloy sila, naging internal conflict sila sa isang tao, and like start yun since childhood. You're just like Sigmund Freud, diba? Psychoanalytical yung approach and the study of the behavior of a person. So that's not the correct answer. So the correct answer, definitely, yung natitira is letter D. Yan. So you study human behavior and you're focusing on the person's experiences, yung kanyang mga freedom, yung mga choices niya, yung what motivates him, and yung mga journey niya towards self-actualization. In fact, a good example of a person who is humanistic in terms of his approach in the study of human behavior is Abraham Maslow. Diba? Kung titignan nyo, it makes sense, no? Kasi titignan mo, yung tao na yung nasa lower part ng Maslow's hierarchy of need, yung kanyang need is food, iba yung behavior niya dun sa yung hinahanap na is love. Diba? Pag na-fulfill mo na yung food, shelter, clothing, secured ka na dun sa level na yon, iba na, umaangat na yung behavior, yung needs mo, yung mga wants mo, and so nag-iiba din yung behavior mo. Like Bill Gates, diba? Titignan mo, iba yung behavior ni Bill Gates sa lahat sa atin. Why? Kasi Bill Gates parang iba na eh. Parang, diba? Iba na yung hinahanap niya ngayon. Because na-fulfill niya na lahat ng mga needs niya. Look at how he behaves, diba? Mark Zuckerberg, iba na rin, diba? Kasi parang kumbaga, you would be surprised na dinonate ni Bill Gates yung 50% ng wealth niya, diba? Para sa foundation niya, para diba, like i-end ng malaria sa Africa, diba, sa some parts of Africa. And I think Mark Zuckerberg wants to donate, and the wife wants to donate 90%. Before sila mamatay, gusto nila na donate na nila yung 90% ng billions nila sa charity, diba, na distribute na nila yon, and they will only retain, I think, 10%. So it's hard for us to imagine that. It's hard for us to understand that, because That why are they doing that? Why are they behaving like that? A good siguro a good explanation will be humanistic approach, di ba? So, na-fulfill na nila yung mga needs nila, yung mga basic needs nila. So, they are already at the higher part, di ba? Yung self-actualization. Siguro they're already looking at their purpose in life, di ba? Di ba talaga ang reason why they exist, trying to be a better person, di ba? Maximizing their existence, di ba? So, yun, humanistic. Sir, ano naman po yung cognitive? Yan, mamaya titignan natin yung cognitive approach, but it's more of you're looking at human behavior, studying human behavior based on how your brain understands the information, diba? So, different people have different way, a way of understanding or processing information. Like a kid, diba? Maybe yung effect ng isang stimulus sa isang bata, iba sa effect niya sa matanda kasi iba yung level nila ng understanding sa situation, iba yung magiging way nila to cope with the situation. So for example, kapag hinurt mo yung bata, you abuse a child, maybe dahil iba yung cognitive, iba yung understanding ng bata sa situation, isipin ng bata, lahat ng tao dapat hindi pwedeng pagkatiwalaan, magkakaroon siya ng tinatawag na defensive worldview. I cannot trust everyone, I cannot love anyone, diba? As opposed to kapag ang inabuso mo medyo adult na, kapag medyo adult na yung inabuso mo, medyo mas mature na yan, mas higher level na yung understanding niya, and so di naman niya siguro iisipin na lahat ng tao mapang-abuso, diba? So yun yung cognitive. You study behavior based on how a person understands, diba? Yung level of understanding nung tao, how he perceive yung mga experiences niya, yung mga stimulus sa environment niya. Alright.
If you want to learn more from him, take our Road to 1 Million challenge. If this channel hits 1 million subscribers, we will release the rest of his lectures. Or you can watch the rest of his lectures now by enrolling in Ortea Criminology Review. Just message us on our Facebook account for more details. See you soon, Orteans!